place. I give my soul or whatever it takes. Never run away. I've got enough angels to storm the gates. I'm not afraid. Behold the brave. And I'll have it no other way. I miss the emergence in these moments of you, the mirror reflection of me. That mirror can't change its view. So until the